Hi guys, Lee here from Trading College. Okay, we're going to take a look at the stock markets and we're going to take a look at gold here as well. Just want to remind you, I've got a day trading webinar this evening. We're going to dive into the challenge account. I'll be showing you the trades and the trading strategies that I'm looking at to grow that challenge account. We got to 100,000 yesterday, which was really nice. So it's taken me 6 months to get to 100 grand. And this is the sort of thing we're doing. So make sure you join me this evening and we'll discuss it in more detail. But if you take a little look at the gold market here, I'm looking at the 4-hour time frame. And you can see we had a lovely bearish price action. So all the way down here, I'm short in this market. And then at some time, there's going to be a bottom in the market and we're going to see a reversal. Now, there are specific rules that you need to look for. But in this particular example, we've got this lovely 4-wave. Okay, so we were expecting a reversal. We got the nice impulsive green pro-trend system long, pullback, long, pullback. Target's been hit 1687. We're just coming into the next target here, which is the 1712 area, and we'll be banking those profits on that move. I'm going to be talking about how to scale it into trades, which basically means adding to winning trades. And some of the problems that new traders have to put up with, or they basically find challenging when they're day trading the markets. I've been doing this for like 20 odd years now, and I've made all the mistakes that every single person, even yourself, has probably made as a day trader. I'm going to be showing you exactly my philosophy around day trading the markets and what I'm looking for. It's really, really simple. We're using our systems and our strategies. And also in the next couple of weeks, guys, we've got more education for you that's coming down the line on day trading. So let's take a look at the DAX as well. So the stock market indices have had a great move higher today. We pushed up very nicely. We were long on Monday, so we were looking for long trades, not short trades. So if you were looking for short trades in the stock indexes, then you may want to join me this evening on that webinar. Make sure you click on the link in the email to register for that. And it's been a cracking day this morning. We had a nice move higher on the German DAX. We've got a nice green pro-trading system that's moved up about 40 points and doing very nice indeed. So we're going to look at risk management as well. As I said, we're going to look at adding and scaling into trades to really catch those big explosive moves. If you look at silver, we were looking for longs last week in the silver market. Let's go and have a little look at the 1-hour chart on the silver. Incredible move yesterday. We exploded higher on silver. Now we're finding a bit of a top here, making pro-trend system profit targets. A bit extended in these markets, but what a move. And that was one that we were looking for. And I think what's really important as a day trader is that you're looking at the bigger picture. You're looking to find markets that are going to have a big move. You don't want to be going for just 10 points if you're trading the euro dollar. You want to be looking for moves that are going to go, a long way beyond the average true range of that particular market, and that's going to have a big move. Wouldn't you rather make big profits than just a small profit at 10 points? Sometimes the market only gives you 10 points profit, but sometimes it can give you 1,000 points, and it's spotting those big moves is really the key to growing that account without any stress, really, and with confidence. All right, so make sure you join me this evening. We'll be talking through trading, and we'll dive into that education on day trading. So make sure you register this evening, guys, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care.